The generous spirit of the Choctaw. Historians often wrote of how the Choctaws were by nature a peace-loving and compassionate group, ready to lend a helping hand to a neighbor in a time of need. This feature will show the spirit of generosity that personifies the Choctaw people. In the mid-20th century, at a time when there was hardly any type of government or travel services to help when families or individuals faced some type of hardship, the Mississippi Choctaws relied on one resource, themselves, to come offer help. The Choctaws practiced a traditional custom called iikua. If it is made known that a family or individual has fallen to injury or illness, a work party would be organized to give aid. From chopping wood to cleaning or whatever needs there are, nothing is left undone.
Kya sugi chali uma na kya ugla bandang ko ugla ma tahu batugla itiba cleaner god no itiba chali ba ka shufe abhi to anot kanik ma pe ikasakuk manana ha shuk chituk mai yam amiche anot aje ma go aje blik ba ting ma to hoye ha ko ugla ma yam hoye ha tahu batugla na chomali.
The same spirit of help also appears during a time of bereavement. Relatives and friends would come to help in cleaning the house before the body was brought in, and to cook during the wake, and to comfort the family. Elizabeth Allen of the Bukchito community recalls her father, the late John Levi Bell, on how he would help a family.
After work, kana sili ma family ma pistia or store here ja then coffee banna hai nina bilo mai ma coffee banna hai ko kisi me banna hai ugli pa je ad go mat biscuit ye ko dai watale ja on din talale.
Nellie Billy of the Redwater community also talks about helping the grieving families at wakes.
Pi hu pa ya do ma ugla sipuni asli ha do ma to ugla أنا هون لقيت في إنتو كتفا يبغادو بقى إما في لما دقو سيكسو منا نقما إنتو كتفا متو أغلا نقان لو تيها دقو سبي أغلا بدون ما يهينا هو مقا هاجتو هيك منوتي في كنا إلا يوش أغلا هبونا جن مخيتو أغلا هبوني أنوتي نانا إلا يو كيا ميتشان عاشق ما إلا يوش أغلا ميتشا هينا هو يقوميغا أنا هون لقيتو.
Another type of helping one another comes in the form of sharing. Harold Comby from the Pearl River community talks about how hunters and fishermen share their bounty with others.
Especially guys, if they caught a lot of fish, they would give to elderly widow woman or elderly, some fish. I remember one time, I can't remember who it was, but they gave Mom a big shupik. And I looked in the trunk and it was about this long in the trunk. And, my mom got it and, cleaned it out and fried it and we ate it.
Even the sharing of cultural knowledge to the community is important. Hubert Bell of Henning, Tennessee talks about how culture is being shared.
We do share cultural programs like basket making, even though we only have one today that's capable of making baskets, and she's elderly as well. We have younger people that skins deer hides and makes it into hand drums. We still do that. We have stick making. Young guys still do that. We have stickball players. Some of our players go down there during the fair and play, stuff like that. We just don't have enough to create a team here. That's the only problem we have, So, but all the other things, Shikalagbis, we have abundance of those. These women are very talented, just as they are on the reservation. So,
to care and to share, characteristics that have given the Mississippi Choctaws a strong bond in helping one another in times of need or for the edification of the individual and the tribe.